Right now, some of the best value Nissan cars are being ignored for the wrong reasons. Buyers see old problems, assume the worst, and miss deals that could save thousands on reliable long-term daily drivers. 2015 to 2017, Nissan Altima 2.5. This is the one almost everyone gets wrong. Bring up the Altima to most buyers, and the reaction is immediate. Concerns about the transmission, fear of CVT failure, and a strong recommendation to stay away entirely. This response is so common that it almost feels automatic at this point. And to be fair, that reputation didn't come out of nowhere. The early models, particularly 2013, did have real issues. Infrequent fluid changes, fuel economy-focused tuning, and excessive heat buildup led to consistent transmission failures. Those problems showed up repeatedly in forums and repair shops, and over time, they shaped how people viewed the Altima as a whole. Once that reputation stuck, it never really faded. What most buyers fail to separate is that the 2015 to 2017 models are not the same car. By this stage, Nissan had already made revisions to CVT behavior, improving how the transmission operated under normal driving conditions. Reliability patterns became more predictable, and many of the early failure trends were already understood. The biggest issue wasn't the transmission alone, it was how these cars were maintained, or more accurately, how they weren't. And that misunderstanding is exactly what created one of the biggest pricing gaps in the used car market. Right now, well-maintained 2015 to 2017 Altima 2.5 models are selling between $6,000 and $9,000. A comparable Toyota Camry from the same years typically ranges between $11,000 and $15,000. It is the same category, same daily practicality, and similar real-world usability, but a significant price difference. The gap isn't about the Altima being half the car, but it comes down to perception. In real-world use, these cars are capable of going much further than most people expect. There are plenty of examples crossing 180,000 to 200,000 miles, with nothing more than consistent oil changes and proper transmission servicing. The 2.5-liter engine is simple, naturally aspirated, and has proven itself over time. It doesn't rely on complex systems, which helps keep long-term ownership predictable. The only real concern remains the CVT, but even that comes down to a single factor: maintenance. A CVT fluid service typically costs between $120 and $180. It's a relatively small expense that plays a major role in keeping the transmission operating smoothly. Ignore that maintenance, and the situation changes quickly. A failed CVT can cost anywhere from $3,500 to $5,000 to replace. The difference is what defines the ownership experience. It's not just about whether the car is good or bad, it's about whether it has been taken care of properly. What to look for before buying. Only target 2015 and newer models. Avoid cars with no transmission service history. During a test drive, watch for hesitation or RPM flare. Check for smooth acceleration, especially at low speeds. Prioritize vehicles with documented maintenance records. If those key checks are in place, the Altima becomes one of the most affordable and practical daily drivers available. It offers reliable transportation, strong fuel efficiency, and low entry cost in a segment where prices are typically much higher. The market tends to focus on the risk, but the real advantage comes from understanding what causes that risk and managing it properly. 2016 to 2018, Nissan Pathfinder. The Pathfinder is a classic example of how perception can reshape value. It lost its original identity when it transitioned from a rugged off-road SUV into a family-focused crossover. For many buyers, that change didn't sit well. They associated the Pathfinder with toughness and capability, and when it shifted toward comfort and practicality, they walked away. That shift damaged its reputation, but it also created a clear opportunity. Because while people focused on what the Pathfinder used to be, they overlooked what it actually became: spacious, comfortable, and highly practical 7-seater that fits daily family use better than most vehicles in its price range. It offers usable third-row seating, a smooth ride, and the kind of versatility that most families are actually looking for. In real-world use, it performs exactly the role it was redesigned for. Under the hood, it features Nissan's 3.5-liter V6 from the VQ engine family. This engine has a long-standing reputation for durability and consistent performance. It's well-established, widely used, and known to deliver strong long-term reliability when maintained properly. For a vehicle in this segment, that's a major advantage. The main concern, as expected, comes down to the transmission. Early versions did experience issues, particularly in the 2013 to 2014 models. However, by 2016, many of those problems had been addressed, and overall reliability became more predictable. The issue is that the market never adjusted its perception. Buyers continued to associate the entire generation with early problems, even as improvements were made. That's exactly why prices remain lower than expected. Currently, Clean 2016 to 2018 Pathfinders are typically priced between $11,000 and $15,000. In comparison, a Toyota Highlander from the same year often ranges between $20,000 and $27,000. Both vehicles offer similar space, seating capacity, and daily practicality, yet the price difference is significant. What separates a strong Pathfinder from a problematic one comes down to maintenance and driving history. Many of these vehicles were owned by families, which often means smoother driving patterns and better overall care. This works in your favor as a buyer. However, transmission maintenance is still critical. A routine CVT fluid service costs around $150 to $200, while a full replacement can exceed $4,500. This difference alone highlights how important proper care is. What to check before buying. Avoid early 2013 to 2014 models. Confirm smooth acceleration, especially under load. Test the vehicle on an incline to assess transmission response. Inspect the cooling system condition. Verify complete service records. Find a well-maintained example, and you're getting a full-size family SUV at a price that doesn't reflect its actual capability. The reputation may not have recovered, but the value has always remained. 2017 to 2019. Nissan Rogue. The Rogue is often overlooked for a simple reason. It's seen as dull. There's no strong performance image, nothing particularly exciting about its design, and nothing that immediately grabs attention. As a result, many buyers dismiss it without giving it a second thought. However, the assumption misses something important. The vehicles that get labeled as boring are often the ones that turn out to be the most reliable over time. The 2017 to 2019 Rogue is a perfect example of that. It comes equipped with a 2.5-liter engine that's straightforward, fuel-efficient, and widely understood by mechanics. There's no unnecessary complexity here. It isn't built to be fast or sporty. It's built to deliver consistent, dependable performance for everyday driving. And in real-world ownership, that matters far more than excitement. Like many Nissan models from this era, the Rogue uses a CVT. This alone is enough to raise concerns for some buyers. However, by this generation, Nissan had already addressed many of the early issues seen in older versions. The transmission behavior had improved, and reliability outcomes became far more predictable when proper maintenance was followed. With regular servicing, these CVTs are capable of lasting well beyond 150,000 miles. The problem is, the market doesn't always make that distinction. Older reputations continue to influence buying decisions, even when later models perform differently. As a result, prices remain lower than they realistically should be. Right now, clean 2018 Rogue models are typically priced between $12,000 and $16,000. A comparable Toyota RAV4 from the same year often starts above $20,000. Both vehicles fall into the same category and serve nearly identical purposes in daily life, but the price gap is significant and largely driven by perception rather than actual usability. This isn't a car designed to excite. It's a car chosen for how easily it fits into daily life. It handles commuting, errands, and long drives without creating problems or demanding attention, and that simplicity is exactly where its value lies. The most common mistake owners make is neglecting transmission maintenance. A routine CVT fluid change costs under $200 and plays a crucial role in long-term performance. Ignoring that maintenance can lead to failure, with replacement costs exceeding $4,000. The difference alone defines whether ownership remains affordable or becomes expensive. What to check before buying? Target 2018 and newer models for the best balance of reliability. Verify CVT service history through records. Test for smooth, consistent acceleration without hesitation. Check the infotainment system, cameras, and electronics for proper function. This is one of those vehicles that doesn't try to stand out. It simply does what it's meant to do. And that's exactly why it continues to be undervalued in the used market. If this is already saving you from overpaying, hit like and subscribe, because next is the Nissan Sentra, the one most people ignore for being too basic, but it's actually one of the cheapest, reliable daily drivers here. 2012 to 2015. Nissan Maxima. The Maxima sits in one of the most unusual positions in the used car market. It's too old to attract new car buyers looking for the latest design and technology, yet still priced just high enough to push away strict budget shoppers. On top of that, it's often misunderstood by both groups, and that combination is exactly why it remains undervalued today. This isn't just another mid-size sedan blending into traffic. The Maxima was designed to sit at the top of Nissan's sedan lineup as a flagship performance model. It was built to offer a more engaging driving experience than the typical daily commuter, while still maintaining comfort and practicality. The balance is what makes it stand out once you actually spend time behind the wheel. At the center of that experience is the 3.5-liter V6 engine, part of Nissan's long-running VQ engine family. This is one of the most proven engines the brand has produced, It delivers strong, consistent power, smooth acceleration, and a level of durability that holds up over time. With proper maintenance, it's not uncommon to see these engines cross 200,000 miles without major internal issues. This kind of reliability is a major advantage, especially at this price point. The main concern, as expected, is the transmission, as the Maxima, like many Nissan models from this era, is equipped with a CVT. This alone is enough to make some buyers walk away. But there's an important distinction here. Unlike smaller Nissan models, the Maxima's transmission was built to handle higher power output, and in many real-world cases, it tends to perform better over time when properly maintained. The issue isn't that the transmission is inherently weak. It's that many examples on the market were simply not maintained the way they should have been. And that brings everything back to the real deciding factor: maintenance. The price difference tells the story clearly. Today, clean examples of the 2012 to 2015 Maxima typically range from around $7,000 to $11,000. Meanwhile, comparable V6 sedans from brands like Toyota or Honda often start above $13,000 and can climb significantly higher, depending on condition and mileage. That gap isn't because the Maxima lacks capability, it exists because of perception. What separates a strong, reliable Maxima from a problematic one is attention to its service history. A well-maintained car with documented care can deliver years of dependable performance. On the other hand, a neglected example can quickly become expensive. What to check before buying? Service records should be the first priority, especially for transmission maintenance. During a test drive, ensure smooth and consistent power delivery with no hesitation. Check engine mounts, as they are a common wear item, but inexpensive to fix. Avoid heavily modified or aggressively driven examples, as they tend to have more long-term wear. The cost difference between proper care and neglect is significant. A routine transmission fluid service typically costs around $150. Skip that maintenance, and the potential repair bill can easily exceed $4,000, and this single detail can completely change the ownership experience. When everything is in order, the Maxima becomes one of the most affordable ways to step into a powerful, comfortable sedan without paying premium brand prices. It offers performance, space, and long-term usability at a cost that doesn't reflect what it actually delivers. 5. 2016 to 2019 Nissan Sentra. The Sentra is often dismissed without much thought. It's seen as too basic, too slow, and too inexpensive to be worth serious consideration. The perception pushes many buyers to skip over it immediately, and that's exactly why it remains one of the most overlooked values in the used car market today. This isn't a car designed to impress with performance or aggressive styling. It doesn't try to compete with sports sedans or deliver excitement behind the wheel. Instead, it focuses on something far more important for most buyers: efficiency, consistency, and low ownership cost. It's built to handle daily driving without demanding attention, and for many people, that's exactly what matters. Under the hood, the Sentra comes with a 1.8-liter naturally aspirated engine that's straightforward and reliable. It doesn't rely on complex turbocharging systems or high-performance components, which keeps maintenance simple and affordable. This engine has been used across multiple Nissan models and has proven to be dependable over time when basic maintenance is followed. It may not deliver strong acceleration, but it offers predictable performance and excellent fuel efficiency, making it well-suited for everyday use. The concern, as expected, comes down to the transmission. Like many Nissan models from this era, the Sentra uses a CVT. By now, that reputation is familiar to most buyers. It's often the first thing people bring up, and in many cases, it's the reason they walk away from the car entirely. The reality is much more straightforward. The lifespan of the CVT in this car is heavily dependent on maintenance. When it's serviced properly, it can last for a long time and deliver smooth, consistent performance. When it's neglected, problems start to develop, and those problems can become expensive quickly. The difference between those two outcomes is not complicated. A routine transmission fluid service typically costs around $120. It's a simple preventative step that helps maintain proper operation and reduces long-term wear. Ignore that maintenance, and the situation changes entirely. A failed CVT can cost anywhere from $3,500 or more to replace, turning what should have been a low-cost vehicle into an expensive repair project. That cost gap is the key to understanding this car. Right now, clean 2016 to 2019 Sentra models are commonly available between $6,000 and $9,000. Compare that to a similar Toyota Corolla from the same years, which often starts above $12,000 and can go higher depending on condition and mileage. This is a significant price difference for vehicles that serve a very similar purpose in daily life. The Sentra's lower price isn't due to a lack of capability, it's driven by perception. Many buyers associate it with transmission issues without considering how those issues develop. As a result, they're willing to pay significantly more for alternatives, even when the real-world ownership experience can be very similar. Before buying, there are a few important things to check to make sure you're getting a good example. What to check? Review the service history carefully, especially for transmission maintenance. During a test drive, ensure the car accelerates smoothly without hesitation or delay. Inspect the suspension components, as worn bushings or shocks are common but affordable to fix. Avoid neglected vehicles, particularly those with inconsistent maintenance records. When these key areas are in good condition, the Sentra becomes one of the most cost-effective ways to own a reliable daily driver. It delivers consistent performance, low fuel costs, and straightforward maintenance at a price that remains well below many of its competitors. It's not designed to be exciting, and it doesn't try to stand out. For buyers focused on practicality and value, it offers something more important than performance. It offers efficiency and predictability at a price point that's hard to match. In this segment, that makes it one of the smartest financial decisions available. Now you know where the real value is. These cars aren't perfect, but they're heavily underpriced if chosen right. Drop your budget below, hit like and subscribe for more real-world car buying insights.